Hello everyone, I'm Eunice, and today I'm going to talk about the education in different countries. Think about it, why Chinese and American people have more advantage than Taiwanese to get the job? And why Taiwanese personality is too shy to talk and so passive that the teacher prefers to teach Chinese and American students? This is today's outline. First, I will going to talk about the education in Taiwan, and second is the education in China, and third is the education in the United States, and summary, and the last one is conclusion. And first, I will want to talk about the education in Taiwan. In Taiwan, almost every student go to school even their parents do not have enough money to pay the tuition because of the traditional thinking, only study better than doing everything. And also the students do not have much time brainstorming because the teacher will keep teaching during the whole class, and the students do not have enough time to brainstorm, to think, and to discuss. And they focus on academic subjects the most. There are Chinese, English, math, science, and biology. And if the students do not have interest in learning academic subjects, they have no choice because their parents think this is the most important. And let's take a look at this picture. In this picture, what do you see? I think most of us think there are a lot of people sleeping during the class. And do you think why are they sleeping? Because they are learning something they are not interested in. So do you think this is the effective way to teach? Of course not. This is not. And now you're aware of the education in Taiwan. Let's take a look at the education in China. There are some differences between the students in China and in Taiwan. And the students in China are well known for their hard-working personality. And you can see in this picture. And the competitive streak is very high in China. For example, if the two students' grades are 96 and 95, their ranking might widely different. One might be at 100 and the other might be at 200. That is a huge difference. And now you're aware of the education in Taiwan and in China. So do you think the education in the United States will ascend us in Taiwan or in China? Of course not. That is totally different from China and Taiwan. The teacher in the United States respects what the students are interested in. For example, if the student likes sports, their teacher will encourage them to join more activity about sports. And the teacher points out the main point during the class and asks questions to let the students think, discuss, and to brainstorm. And you can see in this picture. And the teacher encourages students to ask more questions because the teacher thinks that is the good way to let the students think and to brainstorm. As I mentioned, which people you think they are? The students in the United States, or Taiwan, or in China? Of course, I think most of us have the answer in our mind. These are the students in the United States. And summary, I compare the students in Taiwan, in China, and in the United States. And for hardworking and competition, China, the students in China focus on it most. And for creativity and brainstorm, the students in the United States focus on it the most. And for studying in academic subjects, the students in Taiwan and in China focus it the most. Comparing the students in Taiwan, China, and the United States, if you were a boss, which interviewers would you choose? I think most of us have the answer. Of course, it's the United States. Thank you.